Hi everybody, my name is Amy. I sell items that I find at estate sales and antique shops and other places out in my community. And I resell my finds on my website, amy's-gifts.com. And I also design and produce high-end gear for professional Santas all over the world on my website, santaexperiences.com. And I just wanted to share a few items from my website, santaexperiences.com, because we're having a sale over there on belt buckles for Santa. We call this one our Celtic buckle. It's about 5 inches wide and 4 inches tall, and it goes on a 4-inch belt. It's got all brass hardware, reinforced peg, and these are regularly $189 with free shipping. But right now they're $169, give you $20 off and still free shipping. So this one's Celtic buckle for $169. We call this one, this big bad boy, is Snowflake buckle for 4-inch belt. It also has the same hardware on the back. And this one is also currently $169 at santaexperiences.com. And then this is another beautiful buckle for Santa Claus 4-inch belt. We call this one Facing Reindeers. Reindeer, facing reindeers. With red enamel. I have this in red or green. And this is on my website, santaexperiences.com, and we're asking $169 for these right now. And that includes free shipping. So those are just some of my buckles that are on my website, santaexperiences.com. If there's anything else I can help you with Santa Claus-wise, please let me know. And if you could leave Santa Claus in the comments, I know you've been all the way to the end of my video. Thanks, y'all.